We're at Denny's having breakfast because it's cheap as chips.
We'll just had breakfast.
Yeah, just had breakfast. It was yummy.
It was good.
Good. I love the pancakes. Couldn't eat it all. Couldn't eat it all. It was good.
Every time. I was been on your boat.
Every time. Yeah, so we're just going to pick our tickets up at the Mirage for Love tonight.
Again, My Vegas app.
Yeah.
100% worth using.
We got down here on the monorail, which again we got the tickets from the My Vegas app, so we got them buy one get one free. So more money saved, which is good because everything costs a bomb.
It does.
It does.
It does. But that's Vegas, isn't it?
It is Vegas. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. So yeah, if we do anything exciting later, we'll check in. Bye.
Your face.
Making a wish? Why is it that we're going to win more?
I like it when you do it like and when you do it like
shops at Caesars in front of the fish tank. The Atlanta show's about to start, so it might get dark and noisy really quickly. We've just come for a bit of a wander through, a bit of a mooch, and we're going to go to Fat Tuesdays and get my cup filled up. So you buy a cup, whatever size, and then it's say $14 or whatever, and then when you refill it, every time you refill it, it's cheaper.
Exactly.
Cheaper alcohol, and it's delicious.
Yeah, it is. And we're also going to try and create our own, because you can get a Red Bull and vodka flavoured Fat Tuesday slushy thing, but you can also get extra shots. So we're going to try and get one of those with a shot of Jägermeister in it and make a Jäger bomb slushy.
It's going to be good.
That's the plan. That is the plan.
So if the footage gets iffy later, it's his fault.
Yeah.
Him and the
Not
Jaeger.
even going to deny it. Not even going to deny it. Before it even starts, it's going to get messy.
With the Jaeger in it, and the vodka and the Red Bull, and it's gone. But it's not bad as well. It's not bad. Drink. No. Don't make us put in the shops. Oh, that's good.
No, I'll just get blinded. We're at the Bellagio fountains. Just waiting for the fountain show. Just been through the conservatory, which was lovely, but we'll not put it on. Spoiler alert. Yeah, so we've never watched them from this side before.
No,
we've always watched over the other side, so it's a nice view in general. So
it's not bad. Not bad. Sun's still shining. All good.
Christopher's having a little bit of slot play, just on the minimum 30 cents a spin while we finish our drink. So I want to go to the beer park. Literally though, if he didn't have bad luck, he wouldn't have any. He's so bad at gambling. So bad.
I'm going to win my fortune, like.
I get sick of carrying him, if I'm honest. Woo! God, you shit. Hi all. So I'm just going to do a little room tour. Just a normal Grand King. So it's not a suite or anything. It's a pretty bog standard room at the MGM. You can get a West Wing room, which is one down from that. From what I hear, I wouldn't recommend it. That's the West Wing along there. We're in the west block of the hotel, but not in the West Wing. I think the West Wing Kings are really quite small. I'm not entirely sure they've got windows. And there's no privacy in the bathroom or anything. It's all a bit squished in. So this is the bathroom. Nice big mirror. Huge mirror, illuminated. all the stuff. Don't mind the mess. Sink, towels, bin, hairdryer, which is handy. The loo, but all on the wall. And then nice big shower with an adjustable head and a bath, which is nice. It's nice. It's very low on the floor, which is a bit weird. This is the mirror, but you can see the bed in it. That's just my washing. Ignore that like it's not there. The kettle's ours, but you get a little ice bucket and stuff. And there's a little entertainment station thing, so you can plug your stuff in, plug your phone in, connect things. Nice big telly. Lots of drawers for storage. Oh, the wardrobe, I nearly forgot about that. Nice big walk-in-y, closet-y thing. Loads of room in there with an iron and an ironing board. Huge bed. Just ignore him. You don't get him in every room. Don't worry about it. Hi. Just bearing. Yeah, huge bed. The pillows are really, really comfy. Yeah. Bedside drawers. Hello. Oh, you can't see us. I've got a lamp for a head. Hello. We did go on the first day to, was it Walgreens or CVS? Walgreens, and get a little bucket, an ice bucket thing for like $7, and put our beers in and our vodka and stuff, because drinking can be remarkably expensive in Vegas. You can't do it cheap, and everyone said you couldn't drink free while you were gambling, but we've been offered loads of drinks, so that was a lie. This is the mini bar. Don't touch it. It's expensive. Don't do it. Don't risk it. If you pick anything up, even including those, it'll charge you for them, whether you have them or not. This is our view, which doesn't look so spectacular now, but it's pretty nice on night time when it's all lit up. Window looks really grubby on there, actually.
Yeah, they do the windows washing later.
Yeah, I don't know whose job that is, but it looks like a chore. Hi. And then there's what's the word? A safe deposit box in the drawer that you just set with your own code. It's all good. Yeah. Nice room. Little spot for eating burgers and drinking beers. Anything to add? Oh, there's an aircon thing on the wall as well, so you can control the temperature. Just put it on cold, 'cause it's 30 degrees and I'm really, really hot. That's 30 degrees C.
Yeah.
For those of you who aren't English and use the weird F.
We